Hello, welcome to this video. In this video I will show how to create the dynamic range by using offset function. So here I have some data in sheet 2. I am using this data to define the dynamic range. To accomplish this process, here I am using offset function. Offset function is very useful to define the dynamic ranges in Excel workbook. So here I am typing offset function. This function consists of 5 functional arguments. First one is reference, second one is rows, third one is columns, fourth one is height, and fifth one is width. So here I provided some bifurcation among the offset functional arguments. First one denotes about base cell. It denotes about starting point of the range. And second one, third one represents to if you want to do any modification to the base reference, these two are useful. And fourth one, fifth one is it denotes height and width of the range. So let me explain practically. So first I am going to define the name. Click on define name. Here I am providing the name to that range, which is named as single column. This one refers to workbook level. Here I am starting with equivalent to offset. Here I want to start the range from A1 cell. Hence here I selected A1. Thereafter I don't want to do any modification to the starting point of the range. Hence I am considering 0 and 0 for the row and columns respectively. Thereafter here I am using count A function. Count, I am selecting entire column. This one refers to height of the range. Count A extracts all the non-blank cells in that particular column. Next, here I am mentioning 1 for the columns. Click on OK. Click on the name manager. Here the moment when the user selects formula, automatically application selects the underlying cells. Here we can find column A has selected by the application. Here I am copying. Next I am replacing 1 with 2. Again I am copying the formula. Click on define name. Here I am creating the name as 2 columns. Here I am pasting the formula. Click on OK. Here we can find application selected 2 columns, means column A and B, as I mentioned 2 in the columns field. Right now this formula extracts the rows dynamically, but coming to columns it is constant. Manually I am providing the column numbers, but I want to make it as dynamism. So here I am defining the name. Provided name as dynamic, equivalent to offset, open bracket, selecting the A1, thereafter 0, 0, count A, I am selecting entire column A, thereafter Again I am using the COUNTA function to define the columns dynamically. COUNTA. Here I am providing the columns range from A1 to S1. You can select based on your requirement. Click on OK. Now we can find application selected the underlying cells against the defined name. Lastly, I will finish with one more example. Here I want to create the name for the body only. Here I am creating the name. Click on define name. Here I am writing offset function. Offset. I am starting the range from A1. Thereafter, I want to extract the rows from A1 only. Hence, I am mentioning as 0. Next, coming to columns, I want to create the name for the years. Hence, here I am mentioning as 1. Thereafter, here I am using COUNTA function, selecting the entire column A. Next, coming to columns, I am using COUNTA function. Selecting the range from B1 to S1. Click on OK. Let me cross check with the formula. Here we can find application created the name by considering years data only. So in this way we can define the names by using offset function. Thanks for watching.